Most galaxies have one heart, a single, massive black hole keeping things in order.
Behind every moment lies a scientific wonder. I'm Kale, and welcome to SciCurios, where curiosity meets science.
But millions of light years away, there is a cosmic rebel called NGC 6240. It doesn't have one heart. It has two, and they are currently locked in a gravitational death spiral that is reshaping the universe around them. NGC 6240 is what happens when two massive galaxies crash into each other. This isn't a quick fender bender. It's a process that takes hundreds of millions of years. As they merge, the gas and dust are compressed, triggering a starburst, a chaotic explosion of newborn stars lighting up the wreckage. Hidden behind thick clouds of cosmic dust are the real stars of the show, two supermassive black holes. According to research published in the Astrophysical journal, these two titans are only about 3,000 light-years apart. In galactic terms, that's like two people standing on opposite sides of a dinner table. Eventually, they will sink to the center and become one. As these two hearts dance closer, they stir up the galaxy's gas, heating it to millions of degrees. This makes NGC 6240 shine incredibly bright in X-rays and infrared light. It's a messy, violent, and beautiful preview of our own future, because in about 4 billion years, our Milky Way is scheduled for a similar date with the Andromeda galaxy. Scientists study NGC 6240 to understand how galaxies grow and how black holes merge. Every ripple in its structure tells a story of a collision that happened long before humans even existed. It's a reminder that in space, even a broken galaxy can be a masterpiece of physics. If the Milky Way is destined to merge with another galaxy, do you think humanity, or whatever we become, will be around to see the two hearts meet? Tell me your theories in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cosmic mysteries.
Science is everywhere if you just know where to look. Thanks for watching SciCurious. Until next time.